Hi, and welcome to a new video. Today I will show you how to transform your images into pencil sketches, similar to this example. This technique can be used for LED lamps, creating cool line art, and more. The only thing you need is an imag-r.com license, which offers a multitude of benefits. So, let's get started. First, we will upload our image on imag-r. Since I plan to engrave it on a black business card, I will resize the image to at least 55 by 80 millimeters, matching the card size. Now I will apply the sharpen method to enhance the details. We should decrease the brightness, as most images are overexposed for pencil sketches. Additionally, increasing the contrast helps to emphasize the lines in the sketch and fill in black areas. Next, I recommend selecting the sketch algorithm. In my case, I'll use the wood option. You can already see how amazing the result will be. Denoising the image will remove unnecessary pixels and further enhance the pencil sketch effect. I'm still missing some dark areas, so I'll increase the black levels a bit more using the contrast slider. You can also modify the appearance of the dark areas by adjusting the level limits. Let's give that a try as well. That's it. Download the image as a PNG and proceed to engrave it. The OMG laser is truly awesome. It precisely indicates where you should position your material. Focusing the laser is extremely easy, so a shout out to OMG lasers. You can find the link in the description below. I love the appearance of the sketch. As you can see, especially on black cards, when not inverted, it almost resembles a blueprint. Very cool. Now, let's repeat the process with a few other images. The workflow is essentially the same, so I'll increase the speed of the demonstration. The sketch algorithm is just one of the hundreds of cool options available for preparing your images for engraving. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a try and tag me with your results on any platform. Wishing you a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.